how to find affiliate keywords using SEMrush. Finding keywords that actually convert is the golden key for any affiliate marketer. SEMrush makes that hunt way easier. Just enter a competitor's domain or a niche keyword into the Keyword Magic tool, and you'll unlock hundreds of long-tail suggestions, along with important metrics like CPC, difficulty, and intent. Let's say you're targeting the health niche. Search best protein powder, and SEMrush will show results like best protein powder for weight loss, whey protein under 50, or even branded alternatives. These are gold mines because they're super specific, have high buying intent, and are less competitive. What makes SEMrush even more valuable is that it highlights commercial and transactional intent keywords, which are ideal for affiliate conversions. You can filter keywords based on competition and CPC to focus on ones that can actually earn you money. It also shows you how those keywords trend seasonally. For affiliates, SEMrush isn't just a research tool, it's a conversion map. Join SEMrush for free. The link is in the description. Tap into its massive database and start finding keywords that bring real affiliate income.